Now this is Cupra Ateca VZ, 2-liter petrol, 300 brake horsepower, and is an absolute beast. It might look like a family car, which it is a family car, but trust me, this car has some power. And today we're gonna test it out. We're just gonna drive around, and I will do like a POV driving experience, so you can see how it drives, you can see how it looks. But first, let me show you how it sounds when you turn the car on. I'll put my microphone here, so you can hear it. So, what do you think? It sounds fucking amazing. But let's take it for a test drive. And we keep the car in Cupra mode, and we're going manual. The DSG gearbox is so amazing. It's changing the gears like instant. Okay, I have the car for nearly 2 months now, so I could experience the car like properly, and honestly, apart from, I think the tank should be a bit bigger, the petrol tank. I think it's 55 liters, but it should probably a bit bigger, because it's 300 horsepower, so the car eats quite a bit. Oh. It's such a pleasure to drive it. Oh, these horses are wild. Like they don't have any fence. A pig there, what the hell? Where the hell am I? The exhaust is from Akrapovic, and it sounds absolutely insane, honestly. And you can actually buy the car like that, so you don't have to modify anything. So this car was given to me by Cupra UK and is on a long-term loan. I will have the car already for 2 months and I still have this month, so it's 3 months in total. Is honestly, if I was to buy a car right now, this is a good option. I've been in Scotland with this car for a few days and it's about 10-11 hours drive from London, and honestly I didn't feel like I'm driving. You have a travel assist option which basically keeps the speed, keeps the distance from the car in front of you. If the other car slows down, this one it will slow down, and it keeps the car between like in the center of your lane. Honestly, from Scotland to UK and honestly from Scotland to London, I didn't really drive, honestly. The only thing you have to do is just keep your hands on the steering wheel, so he's aware that I think that's the reason the car is aware that you're not sleeping. But if you don't keep your hands on the steering wheel, after I don't know, about let's say 15 seconds, 20 seconds, I didn't really count how long it takes, but it will give you like a warning, like a beep, and if you still don't touch the steering wheel, the car will start braking, but it's not like a smooth braking, it's like in shocks to wake you up. Plus the seat belt, it like pulls back, so it wakes you up, which is quite smart, honestly. Guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. That will help a lot with the algorithm, and I'll be thankful.